Hello fellow ArmA and especially ArmA Commander players. I'm currently working on some useful features/functions for ArmA Commander missions that I play with a bunch of friends. After playing for some time now, we realized that we are missing some features during our ArmA Commander missions, like basic cover and concealment building that is easy to use and also working not only against player but also against AI units, especially during our PvP games. We also needed some life improvements features like flipping a vehicle that was turned upside down by the ArmA
Ghosts of never-ending glitchery.
But it has of course to be as user-friendly and as easy to use as possible, like the ArmA Commander mode itself. So what I came up with is a system of sort of smart user actions utilizing the native hold button for action function. It's basically a fancier version of the regular user actions. So what this system does, it creates a list of custom actions and looks for situations where one or another action is needed/is available and displays only those. This principle is of course not my invention and is used a lot, so my goal is simply to make a system that feels like it is a part of the gameplay, is easy to use and fits into ArmA Commander game style. Okay, time to make some examples. Let's assume you have to defend your base. It makes sense to set up some defensive positions and scout posts to have some advantage. Use a tank to start raising some ground to make a fortified firing position. While selecting the raise or lower ground action and holding down your use action key, for me it's the standard spacebar, you can gradually increase or decrease the height. The raise ground option is available if you're in a specific vehicle only. Using the same principle only while on foot, you can place some concealment vegetation with only a few clicks. And if using the lower ground or concealment action long enough, you can remove the object completely. Another useful option is to unload an infantry group from a transport group vehicle that it was assigned to via the Get In command of the AC mod. If you're in control of one of the crew members, you get the Unload Troops action. On use, the infantry group in cargo gets unassigned from the vehicle, disembarks and stays out. The next option is the one we use the most during our infantry clashes. It's the ability to switch between units inside a group. As the group leader, you get the Switch to Unit action. Activate this action, then select the group member you want to control and you switch to that unit. Use the Switch to Squad Leader action to control the squad leader again. Now, I realize that some of those things will be implemented in the AC mod anyway at some point and will be not needed. But not all things have to be in the AC mod, since they are not really the core of this mode and should maybe stay the concern of mission creators. So please help me out to gather more ideas and share your experiences. That way I will be able to create functions that are really useful, immersive and simple to use. If you like this idea and want something similar made specifically for your mission, just let me know. I thank you a lot in advance for useful feedback and ideas.